Alright, so now we got all our steel cut up. But first we'll clean it. We're actually got to start off with an 18 layer billet. Simply because the 20, I don't know, I don't think it'd work out well. So these are our two outer layers. I'll wipe them down real quick with acetone, get any oil and anything else off of them that we know doesn't need to be on it. Alright. Alright, so what we're going to do first on this billet of Damascus is we're going to, we got her welded up and everything, so got the billet welded up. I think it came out to be, don't quote me, I want to say 17 or 18 layers. I didn't really count. Let's be safe and say it's 17 layers, 15 and 20 and 1084 high carbon. So what we're supposed to do after this is we're going to heat her up. We're going to set the welds by hand. Then we're going to move her over to the power hammer. I believe we successfully have the overall welds themselves set. Now what we're supposed to do, we're going to start using the hammer. It's nice one uniform color, means it's a solid billet. We're just a twister. I'm excited against doing all those extra layers. So grab my pipe wrench.
Get away.